Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and granting location and maps permissions so results match your history and saved places. Once signed in, add home and work addresses and label frequent spots. This saves taps later. Make sure Wi-Fi and high-accuracy location mode are enabled so pin placement is precise. Now open the app, tap the search bar, and type a destination. Voice or text both work. These initial steps get you ready to navigate with consistent, personalized results. Next, choose your travel mode and inspect route options. Tap driving, transit, walking, biking, or wheelchair accessible so the algorithm uses correct paths. Once selected, customize by adding stops, selecting avoid highways or avoid tolls, and compare alternate routes shown in gray. Make sure to toggle layers like traffic or satellite to see live congestion or visual landmarks. This helps pick the fastest or safest path. When satisfied, press start and follow voice guidance while watching for lane and exit. As you arrive, save the place with a star or label so future navigation is one tap. Download the map area for offline use if you expect low signal. If you spot errors, wrong pin, missing road, or incorrect business hours, report them through the app to improve results. If navigation goes off course, first reset GPS by toggling location or restart the app. If problems persist, update maps or clear cache. These steps usually restore accurate routing and voice prompts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.